Okay, so what is a DPN? Well, DPN stands for
Deepernauts. Now, when you think of Deepernauts, think of the acronym DPN. Now, the DPN is also a
decentralized private network. And just like a VPN, which is a virtual private network, it will encrypt and protect your internet traffic to keep you safe online. But, unlike a VPN, a decentralized network does not have a centralized server to tunnel your traffic to. Let me explain.
A traditional VPN will have a server set up that users can connect to. These servers are all around the world, but hundreds or even thousands of users all connect to the same server. The DPN is different because there is not one central server. Each user with a device is also a server, making it so thousands of users also become thousands of servers.
Having the network being decentralized means that there's more options for connections, more possible locations to connect to, but most importantly, more power in the hands of the users.
Sharing is essential to the Deepernauts. Not only is it safe, it also eliminates the risk of a single point of failure and even potential data breaches. Our enterprise-level network security plus the use of blockchain technology enhances security by providing transparency, traceability, and encryption for user data, reinforcing overall safety and security of the DPN. We also provide the ability to set blacklists, download private sharing logs that only the host can access, and block against BitTorrent traffic.
Now, why is a DPN better than a traditional VPN?
Well, first of all, the cost. One purchase of a Deepernauts DPN device will grant you access to the DPN for free for life. Other VPNs will charge monthly fees. Next up, protection and safety are our top priority. The DPN will cover your full home network and allow devices, even like an Apple TV, to use the benefits of a private and secure network, while other providers cannot do that. They are just device-specific, like a computer or a phone. We take security very seriously. Our devices have a 7-layer firewall that has enterprise-level protection. We also provide ad blocking, tracker blocking, and even blocking for malicious content.
This is a great protection against cybersecurity attacks.
We can easily geolocate with our app relocator, meaning multiple services can be used at the same time, accessing multiple locations.
The best part is it can't be blocked. It's not using a central server like a traditional VPN, it's using a real IP address.
The speeds of the network are faster than traditional VPN speeds and only get better in time with the more users providing more access.
This is a rare case where the more people we have in the network, the faster the network becomes. We hope this breakdown helps you understand the DPN and why it is much better than the traditional VPN.
Deepernauts, of the users, by the users, for the users.